So after learning two very important theorems related to triangles in the last two lessons, so now by this time we have learned that the sum of angles of a triangle, let me write that for you, that sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees, right? And exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So what are we going to see in this video? In this video, we'll be seeing what else can you interpret from these two important theorems related to triangles. Okay, theoretically it is fine that okay, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, but what can we interpret from this? What are the different results that we can interpret, that we can say, that are based on these two theorems that we'll be seeing in this video? So what I'll do, I'll write the statement first and then I'll explain it to you that how that statement is related to these two theorems and how that is correct, right? So let us start with the first statement. The first statement says that the exterior angle is always greater than either of interior opposite angles. True. Say I have a triangle here and this is A, this is B, this is C, this is my exterior angle, say angle 1. Now I know that angle 1 is equal to angle A plus angle B, right? So obviously angle 1 is a sum of two positive things. So I can say that this angle 1 has to be greater than both angle A and angle B individually. That is how, and then only this can be true. Since all the three quantities are positive and they are satisfying this condition, so if this is correct, this implies angle 1 is greater than angle A and angle 1 is also greater than angle B. This is one of the most important deductions that we can say based on our second theorem, that is exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Now let us go to the second theorem, or the second statement. Second statement says that a triangle cannot have more than one right angle. A triangle cannot have more than one right angle, right? This is a very important properties. Let us see like why this is correct. Let us consider the same triangle ABC. I know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now as per this statement, it is telling that a triangle cannot have more than one right angle, right? So let us say that okay, there is a triangle in which two angles are greater than 90 degrees, right? That is angle A is also greater than 90 degree and there is angle B also which is greater than 90 degree and there is third angle C, right? Now what I'll do, I'll add both these in equations. That is, if both of them are correct, so angle A plus angle B is greater than 90 plus 90, 180 degrees. But is this ever possible? We have not included the third angle also. Only the two angles are summing up more than 180 degrees. So a triangle can never ever have two angles greater than 90 degrees, right? This result is also associated to one more result, that I can say the same statement in another way, that is, in every triangle not more than one obtuse angle is possible. Okay, that is, in every triangle there is only one obtuse angle possible. What is obtuse angle? An angle greater than 90 degree, right? If I have two obtuse angles, you can see this case, then the sum of angles of a triangle is greater than 180 degrees, which won't satisfy the initial property of the triangle. So in a triangle, only one obtuse angle is possible, right? These are the interpretations that we can see, that we can consider based on the above two theorems, above two properties of the triangles. Also, I can say it in this way, that in a triangle at least two acute angles should be there. Agree? Because if two angles are acute, then third angle can be obtuse or a right angle, but in a triangle there is a must that there should be at least two acute angles. One more statement that you can relate to this is that if two angles of a triangle Like if I say that if there are two triangles, say triangle 1 and triangle 2, if this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, then automatically the third angle, this angle, has to be equal to the third angle. Why? Because sum has to be 180 degrees in any case. Now this angle is already equal to this angle and this angle is already equal to this angle. So the third angle has to be obviously equal to each other. This is another important result. So I think these statements are clear now, and these are the basic interpretations that we can see from the above two important properties of the triangles.